We just had, excuse me, we just had a deep earthquake in California. I don't know how deep. I think 10 kilometers. But anyway, here it is. Now, right here, these are USGS is US, and then I'm not sure who the EMSC is or the GOFON is, but they're different earthquake organizations that put out information about the earthquakes. So right here it shows, the USGS shows right here that December 8 at 2:50 there was an earthquake. So they're ahead of us because I'm in Ohio. So here is where it would have hit. Right here. Here's Ferndale. And here is the location of where it hit. Here is what's been going on right here. Now this could be the 5 that we just saw up in the other. Right here you notice where it's at, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we pull down here, you keep this in your memory, this area right here. I'm going to go down and look at this. This looks like this is the area that it just happened in. So something is going on, but what I want to say about this, folks, it looks like the 6th seal is breaking. Okay? The 6th seal is breaking. And I will leave the link for this site, but where I think we're at in space and time is we're getting very close. It's the 8th today, and we're getting very close to the head of the month, and we may have more right here. We may have more. I just want to let you know. So this is to keep everybody updated. And I want to tell you, if you haven't accepted Jesus as your personal Savior, please do it now. Please do it today. Please turn your life over to Christ completely, 100%. Okay? So, listen, put God first, okay? Whatever you got to do. Whatever you got to do. If you got to quit smoking, quit smoking. If you got to quit hating your neighbor, quit hating your neighbor. Okay? If you've got to quit looking at porn, quit looking at porn. Whatever you got to do, you need to quit doing it. And you need to get ready for the coming of Jesus Christ. This is not the second coming. This is where He takes His church. It looks like the 6th seal is breaking, folks. It's breaking. Are you listening?